Have you ever wondered how Docker works or what exactly a container is? Maybe you've heard the term Kubernetes thrown around and wondered what it's all about. Well, today we're going to demystify these concepts and give you a clear understanding of Docker, containers, and Kubernetes. Docker, in its essence, is a platform that simplifies the process of developing, shipping, and running applications. It allows you to package an application with all of its dependencies into a standardized unit for software development known as a container. This containerization aspect is what truly sets Docker apart. A container, at its core, is a standalone executable package that includes everything needed to run an application. That means the code, runtime, system tools, system libraries, and settings. Containers are designed to run on any system consistently, regardless of any customized settings that machine might have that could differ from the machine used for writing and testing the code. So, imagine you're building a castle. Instead of carrying individual bricks, cement, and tools to your construction site, a container would be like a pre-built section of the castle, complete with bricks, cement, and tools, ready to be placed directly on the site. This makes the process incredibly efficient and reduces the risk of any missing or incompatible components. Now let's move on to Kubernetes. Kubernetes, often shortened to K8ES, is an open-source system designed to automate deploying, scaling, and managing containerized applications. Think of it like a conductor for an orchestra where each musician is a container. The conductor, or Kubernetes, ensures that each musician plays at the right time and tempo to create a harmonious symphony. To summarize, Docker is a tool designed to simplify the creation, deployment, and running of applications by using containers. Containers are like lightweight, standalone packages of an application, along with all its dependencies and configuration files ready to run on any system. Kubernetes, on the other hand, is a system that manages these containers, ensuring they work together seamlessly and efficiently. These technologies have revolutionized the software development and deployment process, making it more efficient, reliable, and flexible. Docker, with its container technology, has made it possible to ensure consistency across multiple development environments. Kubernetes has taken it a step further by automating the deployment and scaling of these containerized applications. Let's put our knowledge into practice. Imagine you found a project on GitHub that you want to deploy. First, you would navigate to the GitHub repository and clone the project onto your local machine. This gives you a copy of all the project files right at your fingertips. Next, you would use Docker to build the application. This is done using a Docker file, which is a text document that contains all the commands a user could call on the command line to assemble an image. It's often included in the repository. Finally, you can deploy the application using Kubernetes. Kubernetes takes the Docker container you've created and manages it for you, handling the deployment, scaling, and networking of your application. So that's how you can take a project from GitHub and deploy it using Docker and Kubernetes. It's a process that combines the power of these technologies to make software deployment a breeze. So the next time someone mentions Docker, containers, or Kubernetes, you'll know exactly what they're talking about. And who knows? You might even find yourself exploring these technologies further, discovering how they can streamline your own software development and deployment processes.